7 tips to help maintain a healthy skin this season. The weather is freezing and at this point, the skin might be reacting to it. Cold, dry air can leave the skin itchy, dry and irritated. It also leaves one's skin feeling raw. Indoor heat, on the other hand, saps moisture from both the air and the skin. As a result, it is necessary that the skin is protected this period. Here are 7 tips to help you with maintaining a great, healthy skin this cold season. 1. Change your facial and skin regimen. This period, one's moisturizing regime has to totally change. This is the point to switch to cream-based lotions and apply toners and astringents sparingly, mostly because they dry up the skin. Products containing alcohol and fragrances are not best for this cold season as they cause the skin to become dry and sometimes itchy. On the other hand, cream-based lotions are recommended because they help the skin keep its moisture and natural oils. For the lips, moisturizing balms which contain petroleum jelly or lip balms are a perfect way to get rid of dry, cracked lips. 2. Moisturize frequently. Moisturizing has to be done frequently using cream or ointments rather than lotions, as they are more preferable during the cold, wet season. To tackle dry skin, one had to constantly apply on moisturizers. Do not forget to also wash and moisturize the hands just as frequently, especially because it is the cold/flu season and it is best to avoid such infections. Apply cream-based moisturizers regularly to prevent the skin from drying up by retaining its moisture. 3. Limit shower time and water temperature. While one might be tempted to take long showers with hot water, it is best to limit the shower time and water temperature. Opt for a 5 to 10 minute lukewarm water shower. Hot water dries up the skin and should be avoided for now. While washing one's hands, dry them until they are damp rather than dry. Warm water is actually more convenient for the skin during this cold season. 4. Apply sunscreen regularly. Even on cold, gray days, about 70% of the sun's UV rays are still reflected, which is just as harmful to the skin. As such, one needs to apply sunscreen just as regularly as one would on sunny days. This means that sunscreen should be applied every day and reapplied during the day when necessary. Apply SPF-based sunscreen every day, even when at home, because light rays from light bulbs could cause the same damage as sun rays would. Stay protected both indoors and outdoors for great, healthy skin. 5. Use gentle, fragrance-free cleansers. Using the wrong soap can also worsen one's already itchy, irritated skin. This might be the best time for bar soaps, which may contain irritating ingredients and fragrances, to other fragrance-free moisturizing gel. Make it a habit to look for products labeled fragrance-free or unscented. As an alternative, one can also limit extreme lathering to necessary areas such as hands, genitals, armpits and feet. 6. Change out of wet clothes quickly. Wet clothes can also cause itchiness and skin irritation. Make sure to take off wet clothes as soon as possible to reduce or prevent this. This way, itchiness and irritation are not only limited, but one is also warmer. Hence, wear only dry clothes this season to reduce the chances of catching the flu. Also, wear comfortable clothing made of breathable materials that would protect the skin and also reduce skin irritation. 7. Eat properly and stay hydrated. Finally, remember to eat properly and stay hydrated. Foods and supplements which contain omega-3 or omega-6 fatty acids, such as fish oil and flaxseed oil, are a great help to dry skin. Healthy, great skin can be maintained during the cold season just as well as it could during the dry season. These tips would help with reducing the dryness, irritation and discomfort which the skin might face because of the weather. Stay moisturized both inside and outside by eating properly and also correctly moisturizing the skin. Focus on cream-based moisturizing this period for better coverage over lotions. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.